First time setup. Setting up new player. Go to your app store and look for Anon Digital. Download and install Touch and Play Pro Plus. Launch the app and accept our end user license agreement, or cancel to exit. Press the plus icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Fill in, exactly as given, player name, username, password, and server port. Press sign in, or hit the key icon. Your app is now sent and ready to control your player. You can use one app to control as many players as you need. Follow the same procedure for each player. Each player would need a unique username. You cannot use the same username more than once. Exit the app and open it again. The app will automatically connect to your player. There are only 3 screens. This is the main screen, which is the leftmost screen. If everything is okay with both your phones and player's internet connection, the antenna is showing green. To avoid misoperation by accidentally pressing a button, always long press a button in order to make it work. A feedback message will be shown right after pressing a button. It is our way to tell you what is actually taking place right now in your Touch and Play music player. You can always stop the music or play the next or previous song. This is the current playlist name and duration. This is the current song elapsed and remaining time. These are the current playing song, title, artist, and album. Change the volume by pressing volume up or volume down. The volume varies from 0 to 15 in steps of 1. If you want the volume to change automatically in specific times, please contact our support. If you like a song, please let us know by pressing the like button. This will help us customize the music according to your taste. You can undo your selection only until the song ends. You can block a song by pressing the block button, which will prevent it from playing again in this specific playlist. This will also help us customize the music according to your taste. You can undo your selection only until the song ends. There are 3 play modes: timing mode on, timing mode off, and iPlaylist. By default, timing mode is set to on. When timing mode is on, the player will change playlists automatically according to a pre-scheduled timetable. When timing mode is off, playlists are being selected manually by the user, and scheduled playlists are not playing automatically. iPlaylist will allow you to create your own current playlist on the fly. Select from the list the playlists you would like to mix together and set their weight by percentage. Selecting more playlists will allow you to create longer playlists up to 6 hours of playing time. Playlists made by iPlaylist cannot be saved and need to be set again in each operation. Next screen is the current playlist screen, where you can see all the songs that create the playlist, which is currently playing now. The current playing song is marked in blue. When browsing the playlist, you can easily go back to the current playing song by pressing the blue play icon. Set a text filter and search for specific title or artist. Songs will play one after another, according to their order. You can always set a specific song to play as the next song. You can immediately mix to a specific song by selecting the desired mix pattern. Mix patterns differs by their overlapping fade-in and fade-out times. Hit the red minus button and remove a specific song from the current playlist. User playlists will enable you to create and save your own playlists. To create a user playlist, select a specific song and hit the plus button, and give your playlist a name. The selected song is now added to your new user playlist. Your new user playlist is now added to your playlists, which are listed in the next screen. All your playlists are listed in this screen, which is the rightmost screen. There are 3 types of playlists: scheduled playlists, non-scheduled playlists, user playlists. Scheduled and non-scheduled playlists are created and maintained by us and can play automatically in a specific time or day, or selected manually. User playlists can only be selected manually and cannot be scheduled. You can either delete or empty a user playlist. For automatic scheduling of playlists, please contact our support. Change playlist by selecting Mix or Cut. Selecting Mix will mix the currently playing song with the first song in the selected playlist. Choosing Cut will immediately change to the new playlist with no mix at all. Please note, songs are being shuffled whenever a new playlist is being played. Songs will never play in the same order. Viewing the content of a specific playlist is possible even though it is not playing now. To do so, open the playlist menu and select View. A list of all songs in this playlist is now retrieved. You can sort the list by title or artist. You can either select a specific song to play now, or select a specific song or a group of songs to be added to current playlist. You can also add specific song or group of songs to a specific user playlist. This is the main setup menu. In this menu, set the default mix pattern and duration. Select different players. Use hotkeys. Hotkeys allow you to immediately play 3 different predefined songs. When selecting a hotkey, a predefined song will cut it immediately into the current playlist with no mix at all. When this song will end, the original current playlist will start playing again from the last played song. If you want to stop playing the hotkey song before it ends, hit the next button, and the current playlist will play again from the next song right after the last played song. For setting hotkeys, please contact our support. Thank you for choosing Anon Digital.